Today we're making a classic plum torte. A simple cake, but it looks so impressive. We start with the plums. Any variety of plums will do. Half them. Remove the stones. We're gonna place them skin down on top of the butter later on. So prep them all. We'll be using a spring-form cake tin. So just line it with the parchment paper. This cake tin is really easy to use. If you can get one of these, this is so easy to line with the parchment paper. Just see. You apply some butter on all the sides. Keep it from sticking. We start mixing our cake mixture. We have to measure all of the ingredients. So we're gonna measure 113 grams of butter. And we need some sugar as well. That'll be 200 grams of sugar. Approximately 1 cup sugar. We're gonna cream them together. Now we preheat our oven to 175 degrees. You're gonna need some plain flour or all-purpose flour. That'll be 120 grams. And we put some 4 grams of baking powder. Put some eggs. There'll be 2 eggs. Look how fresh my eggs. Don't forget to salt it. Yeah, let's help the machine a little bit. Let's help the mixer a little bit. And mix it a little bit with a spatula. flowers are starting to come out. Look at the shiitake mushroom. We slowly add in our flour with the salt and baking powder. We're done mixing. Tapos na tayo dito. It's so heavy. Oh my god. Now we're gonna spread a thin layer. Maybe around 2 inches. So, i-flatten mo lang ito. Yeah, flatten it with the spatula. Okay. This is gonna become the bed of our fresh plums. Yeah, skin up.
Pero pupunin natin yung plums.
Don't worry if it looks crowded. As it bakes, the fruit sinks in and creates that beautiful jammy top. And now we're gonna squirt some lemon juice just for that tartness. We're gonna sprinkle sugar over the top. This will make it crispy later on. And then a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can use allspice, you can use nutmeg, whatever you have, but I choose cinnamon.
What?
This is where the magic starts. Into the oven it goes, baking until the top is golden and the edges smell like, proper bakery. This is 30 minutes. Your house is gonna smell amazing. Okay, now we're done. Let it cool slightly. Should be served warm. But I can't wait. I want to slice it now. Can't wait. Still hot, but I'll slice it. Now, this plum torte, you can serve it with all kinds of things. You can serve it with cream, with ice cream, whipped cream, frosting, whatever you have. Custard. Look at that. This is what I'm telling you about. It's gonna become like a jam in the bottom, and the top is so crispy. Sweet-tart plums. Oh, those kind of flavors that makes you feel like home. Simple, classic, absolutely worth turning the oven on for. Yeah. You're gonna love baking. See what I mean? That is crispy. Yeah, guys, try it. It's not that hard. I'll see you next time.